Yes.
So it is
Yes.
multiplying with series of ones.
Yes.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So for example, if you want to multiply into double one, you have to start from the left side. Okay. So multiply first you have to write 6 as it is. First digit from the left side. Okay. And then we have to add first 2 digits.
We have to add those. I remember this. We did this already.
6 plus 3, it is 0,
Carry
9.
out.
Then
And then we have to strike the 6.
6, yes. And then we have to add next 2 digits. 1 week.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah. What are the next 2 digits after 6?
3.
2 digits.
Oh,
So
2
3
digits.
plus 2. 3
3,
and 2,
2.
right? So add those 2. 3 plus 2, it is 5. Understand? Cancel 3. Next 2 digits.
I don't get it.
Next 2 digits.
2 and 3 equals 5.
Very good. Last 1 digit.
Just 3.
So apply carry out rule, you get the answer.
Yeah.
That's it.
But wait, how do you get 6? Oh, wait. Oh, you add 6 plus 3?
3,
Oh,
yes. First I have
okay.
written first digit as it is, then added 2 digits at a time.
Okay, yeah, that makes
Then
sense.
This is
last
gonna be
digit
pretty
as it is.
easy. It's pretty easy.
Yeah, Shreyan,
Yes. Me. Wait. What did I say?
you just give the answer, Asha, for the problem. Send the answer.
Akshay, Manvik, me, and
Yes,
who
yes.
else?
I know.
Moksha.
Yep, this one is
We
easy.
all know because we have done it already.
Yes, do it. That's why you just do it and send
I
the
learned
answer.
it too.
This is the last one for the revision. From the Monday onwards, I will teach you the new method. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Shreyan. Shreyan,
Yes.
what is the first digit from the left side?
16.
Shreyan,
Yes.
what is the first digit from the left?
16.
First digit I am asking.
Oh,
Digit.
7.
So we have to write first digit as it is. Then add the first 2 digits.
16. I sent you the answer.
Yes. Very
Wait,
good.
yes.
Next, you have to
Okay, let me send you.
Cross out the
now
7.
cancel 7. Yes. Next 2 digits.
15.
Next 2 digits.
9.
Next 2 digits.
5.
And next 1 digit.
2.
So apply carry out rule. You get the answer.
This
That's
is
it.
kind of easy.
Wait, what? So why did you put so
Very
so
easy.
what they do is like you put the what they do is like put the 7 at the first time, and then
We
you
have
have
added
to-
2 digits at a time.
Oh, I get it. Okay. At the end, when there's a multiplication sign, you had to put a 2.
Yeah, last digit as it is.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I get
It is like first 1 digit, then 2 digits, 2 digits, 2 digits, last 2 digits, last 1 digit. This is the formation we have done.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I get it.
Got it?
Okay, give us 1 second to solve.
Do you understand, all of you?
Yes. It's very
Yes.
easy.
Everyone.
Very easy.
So, coming to the,
Easy.
if you want to multiply with 3 ones, so whenever we are doing multiplication with double one, we have added 2 digits at a time, right?
Mhm.
So here we are doing with the triple one. So
This is an.
we have to add how many digits at a time?
0,
Three digits at a time.
3.
So first
Three.
you have to write down first digit as it is.
Oh, now I remember.
First digit as it is, then first two digits. Addition of first two digits
9.
and addition of first three digits.
To 5.
No,
Three digits,
not
three digits.
11.
11. Understand? We are just like,
Oh, you could make that. Remember, you told
Oh,
us
yeah.
you should make
It's
that
like,
little line thingy. Like
do you,
that.
do you understand it?
It's like rounding. It's like
Yeah.
round.
Yeah, it is
So
like,
you have to do
It's like
one
it's
first,
like
then
it's like
2,
step
and then
counting.
3, and
It's
then
like
3, and then 2, and 2. So it's like
one.
it's going up and then down.
Yes,
That's how
it is like
you showed us
first,
the example.
yeah, it is like first one digit, then first two digits, and first three digits. And then we'll repeat three digits until we reach to the last three digits, then come down, last
And
two
then
digits,
come-
last
What?
one digit. Understand?
Yeah.
So first three digits, we have reached to first three digits, right?
Yeah.
6 and then
Yeah. Cancel 6. What are the first three digits now?
9.
3.
9.
9. Next three digits,
9.
9.
9.
9.
Next two digits,
7.
next one digit.
3.
3.
3.
That's it. Apply carry add rule, you get the answer.
The only toy he got was a notebook. That's
So-
not a toy though.
Yeah,
It's a book.
here we are multiplying
No.
3 ones so
I
that
got the toy.
we have added three digits at a time. Understand? All of you got
Yeah.
it? Shreyan?
Yeah.
Yes, I understand.
Shreyan,
Yes.
do you understand it?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, you just tell me, we'll do it on the board. So first digit as it is,
Okay, I'm sorry.
then first two
12.
digits. First two
Oh.
digits. We have to climb
10.
step by step, not at a time, okay? First you have to go
No.
to 1, 2, 3, then 3, 3, 3, 3, last 2 to 1. Understand?
Okay.
So now 10.
10,
Next,
12.
we have reached to first three digits, right?
Yeah.
Start cancelling.
5,
Next to three digits. Three digits.
Oh.
Yeah,
11,
very good. Next,
10,
very good. Next,
12.
so we have reached to last three digits, right? 624, last three digits, right?
Yes.
Then last two
6.
digits now,
6,
and the last one digit.
4. I sent you the answer.
Very good, I got it. So 4, 6, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 8. This is the answer. All of you understand?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, Manvi, tell me, do you have any doubt?
Yeah. Well, I don't understand. Why did you put the 12 into an 11?
And you just added the first three digits. This is first one digit, right?
Yeah.
This is the addition of first two digits.
Yeah.
Then addition of first three digits. We just moved one by one, step by step. After reaching to the first three digits, what we have to do? Start cancelling from the left.
Oh, so we had to do like 3 digits that equals 12, and we had to do it again.
Yeah, no, then cancel 7. Next three digits. Cancel 3. Next three digits. Cancel 2. Next three digits.
Wait, I
And
have a question.
yeah,
Wait, that doesn't make
Is it
sense.
supposed to be a 3?
yes.
Isn't like the 2 supposed to be a 3? Oh wait, no, never mind, you're correct.
Yeah, after reaching to the last three digits, we got 12, right? Next last two digits, 6. Last one digit, 4. Understand, Manvi? It is like adding
So we had
numbers.
to do the 3 digits, and then we had to do the next 3 digits, like 2, 6, and 2. Then we had to do
Yes.
like
6,
6,
2,
2, and
4.
4.
Yes, first 7, 3, 2, right? First three digits.
Okay, let me do something.
Next,
Can you give
removing
me a
7.
second?
Yes, next removing 7, next to 3 digits are 3 to 6. Removing 3, next to 3 digits are 2, 6, 2. Removing 2, next to 3 digits are 6, 2, 4. Removing 6, 2, 4, and then 4. Understand?
Yeah.
So let me do one more problem. 7, 2, 6,
Yes.
3, 2, 4 into 111. So here first we have to reach to the first 3 digits. Understand? Manvik, tell me. We'll do it on the board.
Okay.
Remaining all of you, please do it. Yeah,
We had
first
to do the
digit.
We had to do like the 3 digits, like 7, 2, and 6.
First. So if you want to go to third grade, you have to start from the first grade, right?
Yeah.
You cannot directly join in third grade. Am I right?
Yeah.
So you first complete first grade, then addition of second grade, and then third grade.
Okay.
Do you got it?
Now I don't really get it.
What is the first digit? We have to write first digit, right?
7
That's it. Then addition of first 2 digits.
to 9.
Addition of first 3 digits.
15.
Understand?
Yeah.
Whenever you reach to the first 3 digits, do it.
You had
Cancel.
I sent it the answer.
Yes, yes. You have to cancel.
No.
Manvik,
yeah.
what we have to cancel?
7.
Remove 7, add 3.
Yeah.
Next
So
to 3
we
digits.
had to add 2 with 15.
Yes, 2 plus 6 plus 3. How much it is? 2 plus 6 plus 3.
2 plus 6 plus 3. 215.
No, 2 plus 6 plus 3, it is 11.
Oh, yeah, I think I get it.
11. So now cancel 2. Next to 3 digits. 11
6.
again.
I add 6, so that equals 17.
6 plus 3 plus 2. See the board, Manvik.
Oh, I think I get it. Okay, so
Cancel
6 plus
6.
3, 6 plus 3 plus 2 equals 11.
Yep. Now I canceled 6. Next 3 digits.
3 digits. 3, 4, and
3, 2,
3,
4.
2, 4. We add them together, and that equals 9.
Next.
And put the 4.
Remove 3. What will be the remaining?
Wait, what?
It is 6.
6. We had to put the 6.
And
then 4.
that's it.
Oh, I get. Okay, yeah, I think I'm almost getting it.
All of you got it?
Yeah.
Is it clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yeah.
Very good. Shall we move to the last series in one?
Yes.
Yeah.
Can we do winning 3 points?
Yeah.
Please, no.
So we'll do the last one.
We're gonna do it.
Yeah, do it with 3 digits. Yeah, you just have to keep in mind that whenever you are doing with double one, we add two digits at a time. Whenever we are doing with triple one, we have to add three digits at a time. Steps are same. In double one, it will start with 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 until we reach to the last 2 digits and the last 1 digit. Close. And coming to the triple one, 1, first 1 digit, first 2 digits, first 3 digits, and it will continue until last 3 digits, last 2, last 1. This is the framework for triple one.
So if there are 4 ones, then
Yes.
then that number will be 4, right?
Yeah, here it will become 4. It will become 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 4, 4, 4 until we reach to the last 4 digits. Then 3.
I sent my
2,
answer.
1. Yeah, you just
Okay.
see here first 1 digit, then first 2 digits, first 3 digits. Yes or no?
I finished. I put my answer in the
Yeah, we
chat.
reach to the first 3 digits. Cross out. First one, it will become 17. Next, it will become like 15. Next, it will become like 11. Last 2 digits, 9. Last 1 digit, 3. Clear?
I got the same thing as you.
Very good. All of you got it?
Yes. Yeah, I did.
Yeah, I got it. I got it. This
Shreya?
makes
Got,
right.
I
Shreyan.
got same answer. Yeah, I got same answer.
Shreyan, you did
This makes more
everything
sense.
right. But I think you,
Makes some sense.
Shreyan, you have missed the first digit, I think.
At first, I thought you need to add all 3. Like you need to keep 0, 6, and then add all 3 digits. Not keep like 14 and then 21.
Yeah, up to here you have done, this is all correct. But in the beginning you have done mistake, Shreyan.
Yeah, I saw that.
We have to take down first digit as it is. Addition of first 2 digits. Okay,
Okay.
understand?
Yes.
So let's see. Whenever we take 4 digits, it will be same procedure. The series is same. Like if based on number of ones we have to do. So
Okay.
here we are doing 4 ones, right? So
Yeah.
the steps will be like this. First 1 digit, then first 2 digits, first 3 digits, finally first 4 digits. Understand?
Yeah.
So first 1 digit 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 4, 16. Do you understand? First 1 digit,
Yeah.
first 2 digits, first
So
3 digits, first 4
So
digits.
it's the same. So it's the same thing as like the the 3 one.
Yes,
Sorry.
it's the same thing, but we have to add, here we will add 4 digits at a time. Understand? So we have
Yeah.
reached to the 4 digits, right? So start cancelling. Next 4 digits are
5.
10, 15.
Uh,
So last 4 digits are completed.
I sent
Okay.
you the answer.
So last 3 digits are 12. Last 2 digits are 10. Last 1 digit is 6. So 6, 0, 3, 6, 7, 3, 1, 8.
Now I understand.
Same answer.
Yeah, I get it. Now I understand.
Now you got it? It is
Yeah.
just climbing up to first 4 digits. Whenever you reach to the first 4 digit, then we will repeat up to last 4 digits and it can come down. 3, 2, 1. Understand? All of you understood?
Yes.
You just see here 2, 3, 4, 8. Yeah? Still anyone have doubt?
Yes.
Who is that? Manvik?
It's not me.
It's a
Yeah.
Sean.
Ishan, tell me what's your doubt?
No, because after you, I know like the first part, like add 7 plus 3, you get like, but I don't get how you got 15 on the last question.
Yeah, you just see here, you can understand. Tell me what is the first digit?
2, 0, 2,
Second, first 2 digits.
5,
First 3 digits.
9,
First 4 digits.
17.
Have you reached to the first 4 digits now?
Yeah.
Now we have to start the game of cancelling, right?
Uh-huh.
Cancel it and next 4 digits now.
It's
21. Am I
okay.
right?
Uh-huh.
Cancel next one.
Oh, okay.
Next 4 digits. 25. Right?
Yeah.
Cancel 4. Next 4 digits.
And then that's it?
23.
Oh.
Am I right?
Yeah.
Next, last 3 digits.
I sent you the answer.
Last 3 digits, last 2 digits, and last 1 digit. Understand? 2, 9, 5, 4, 7,
Okay, yeah, I did.
3, 9, 10, 6, 2. Yep. All of you got it?
Same answer.
Very good. Manish?
Same.
Manish, you remember it?
Yeah.
Yep. Yep. All of you understand?
Yeah.
Yes.